Are you wondering which Cricut Maker you should get? Well, look no further. As the only influencer who was given early access to both the original Maker and now the Maker 3 before they launched, I have deep dived on both of these machines. I've tested them extensively, and I'm here to help you choose which machine is the very best fit for you. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kim from Sweet Red Poppy, and if you love crafting videos, especially all things Cricut, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss an episode. Now, you may be wondering what happened to the Maker 2. Don't worry, you didn't miss the release of another machine. The new Maker is named Maker 3 to signal that it's the same generation as the new Explore 3. The Maker 3 is the same machine as the Maker, just with a few amazing features and upgrades. Now, let's dig into the similarities that these machines share and, more importantly, what's different about them. Let's begin with the appearance of the machines. Right now, the Cricut Maker 3 is only available in one color. I'm hopeful that we will see some new colors later this year, but for right now, you can only get it in this light blue color. The original Maker comes in a variety of different colors such as champagne, rose, lilac, blue, and mint. If you open up your machines, you'll notice that the buttons look a little bit different. Now, you may notice that the cut button is different. On the Maker, the cut button is this C, but on the Maker 3, it's a more universal play button. The arrow buttons look different as well, but they still work exactly the same. Something that you may not notice is that the Maker 3's name is written on the tool housing. This makes it really easy to know exactly which machine you're working with. Finally, another update is the material guides on the tray right here. Now, these guides are going to ensure that your material is correctly inserted into your machine every single time. So, what blades and tools are compatible with each of these machines? There are no new blades with the Maker 3. Every blade that can be used with the Maker 3 can also be used with the Maker. Both machines feature the adaptive tool system, which allows for active management of the blade's position by intelligently lifting and rotating the blade into the optimal position for your very next cut. This allows for greater precision with cutting, especially with those smaller, more intricate projects or with thicker materials. With both machines, you can use the fine point blade, the bonded fabric blade, the deep point blade, the foil tool, rotary blade, scoring stylus, knife blade, and quick swap tools with both our Maker and Maker 3. So how do these machines know which blade you're using? When you proceed to cut your project, the machine will move the carriage all the way to the right. This is called homing. It will then scan the blade to find out which one has been installed into the machine. The Maker 3 is just an upgraded version of the Maker. With the Maker 3, you can do everything that you could do with the original Maker, plus a whole lot more. Let's talk about the differences between these two machines. The Cricut Maker 3 features a new powerful adapter that allows for 3 amps of output. The power adapter for Maker 3 is also more powerful than the one that comes with the Maker. This is going to facilitate faster speeds as well as matless cutting. Power cords for the Maker and Maker 3 are not interchangeable. The connectors and receptacles are different sizes, so a Maker cord would not be able to fit into a Maker 3 and vice versa. Another difference between these machines is what comes with them inside of the box. The original Maker typically comes with the rotary blade, plus a drive housing, a premium fine point blade, a fine point pen that's in the black color, a 12 by 12 inch fabric grip mat, a 12 by 12 inch light grip mat, 50 free ready-to-make projects, including 25 sewing patterns and materials for your first practice project. The Maker 3 definitely has a different focus than the original Maker. It does not come with the rotary blade and housing, the fine point pen, or any cutting mats. Instead, it's going to come with the fine point blade, which comes pre-installed in clamp B. It also comes with a sheet of smart iron-on, smart vinyl, smart paper sticker cardstock, and transfer tape. This is going to allow you to start crafting with those smart materials immediately. Now, you may be wondering what materials you can cut on each of the machines. With both machines, you can cut over 300 materials like vinyl, fabric, iron-on, balsa wood, leather, and even cardstock. Both machines can also do print and cut projects on colored and white paper. Both machines are able to use the same blades with all of the Cricut cutting mats to create your own custom designs. Unlike the Maker 3 is able to cut smart materials without using a mat. And since you're not limited to the size of a cutting mat, smart materials with your Maker 3 are going to let you cut all the way up to 12 feet in length and 11.7 inches in width in a single cut. As of right now, Cricut carries Smart Vinyl, Smart Iron-On, and Smart Paper Sticker cardstock. And I'm betting that they will be updating that to include some new materials like writable vinyl in a larger scale. In addition to saving you the time of putting materials onto a mat, the Smart Materials also allow the Maker 3 to cut 2 times faster than our original Maker. To go along with the release of Smart Materials, Cricut also updated their portable trimmer and they released this new roll holder. The portable trimmer now measures just over 13 inches and that's going to accommodate those larger Smart Materials. While this is designed to go with the new machines, you can also use it with the old machines. The roll holder is going to sit on the tray of the Maker 3 on these little ridges, and it keeps your materials aligned during your cut. The roll holder is not compatible with the original Maker. As your project cuts, the roll holder evenly feeds your smart materials in and out of the Maker 3. Now once it's done cutting, the Maker 3 is going to position the end of your cut just above the trimmer. Before you unload your project, just slide the trimmer across for a clean, straight cut. Now, if you're trying to decide which machine you should go with, here's a little bit of advice. If you want to be able to cut smart materials, you want to cut 2 times faster, and you want the newest machine, I would definitely recommend going with the Maker 3. But if you're happy with all that the Maker can do, you don't necessarily see yourself using smart materials or needing a machine that cuts at the fastest speed possible, I would recommend going with the original Maker, and you can get it at a much lower price point than originally. If you don't see yourself using smart materials or matless cutting, then I would recommend going with the original Maker. You're going to get all of those amazing benefits of the Maker, and you're going to get it at a price that was lower than when it launched. Now go ahead and let me know in the comments below, which Cricut Maker do you think is right for you? If you don't know where to start with your new machine, my ebook, Sweet Red Poppy's Guide to Cricut, is for you. It has over 178 pages, 21 in-depth chapters, and 30 Cricut cheat sheet printables. It even covers all 5 of the Cricut machines. It has 30 pages on design space that automatically update as changes are made to the program. It has tips and tricks from the expert. You really can't go wrong with this ebook. You can join over 25,000 happy customers who are getting the very most out of their Cricut machines thanks to my ebook. Click the link in the description of this video to get your ebook today. If you have any questions about the Maker 3 or the original Maker, be sure to leave those in the comments below.